A premarital or a prenuptial agreement is an agreement entered into by a couple prior to their marriage, which identifies and establishes which property is owned by which spouse. The agreement also sets forth how that property will be distributed in the event of a divorce. Such agreements might also include provisions regarding spousal maintenance or alimony. It's important for people to understand that a prenuptial agreement or a premarital agreement cannot address such issues as legal decision-making, parenting time, and child support, as those things are prohibited to be addressed in a prenuptial agreement by Arizona law. A postmarital agreement operates generally the same as a premarital or prenuptial agreement. However, these agreements are entered into after marriage and require some sort of consideration or something of value. Consideration is required in order for a postnuptial agreement to be valid and enforceable in the state of Arizona. An Arizona attorney can work with you in the process of drafting, negotiating, finalizing, and executing your premarital or postnuptial agreement. I strongly recommend that both parties have competent and qualified representation in this process so as to ensure that the agreement will be upheld in the event of a divorce. Your Arizona attorney can help you identify your assets and debts and can help guide you through this very difficult process. No premarital agreement or postnuptial agreement is ironclad. These agreements must be executed voluntarily and free of duress. Secondly, in order for these agreements to be upheld, there must be full disclosure, or both parties must voluntarily waive the right to have such full disclosure from the other party. An Arizona attorney can work with you to ensure that your agreements comply with Arizona law, that they will be found to be valid and enforceable upon divorce, and can walk you through some of the pitfalls and make sure that all of the issues are addressed in your particular situation.